This is actually a two-step knot. So we're gonna start with what we already know. So you're gonna take your two outside cords.
Okay.
You're gonna take that left one and you're gonna do that 4.
Okay, I'm doing the same thing you are. Okay.
And then instead of tightening all the way up to here, we're just going to leave it right there. So they're at the same height.
Oh my gosh.
Now,
Okay.
we're gonna take our right cord and we're gonna do like a backwards 4.
Oh, okay. Oh, we just made a square knot.
Yeah.
That's a
So
square
you-
knot.
Yeah, you've graduated to square knots.
You could be a master macrame. Have you
I
done
am
it?
a master macrame.
Oh, she's a master macrame. Excuse me. Where's the crown?
So next we are gonna finish the project with a wrapping knot. We're gonna hold it at the top and we're gonna create like a loop. And then this is like the wrapping part.
Yep. And that's not gonna come apart.
No, that'll hold just fine.
It really is magic, Amy.
And then you can trim your fringe to whatever length you think.
So you just go like this, like it's like
Yeah.
giving someone's hair like a ponytail cut?
Yeah, I really feel like I
Yes.
should like go to hairdressing school when I'm like,
Yeah.
no.
Oh, cute.
And then we have this cute, adorable mug with a little plant in it.
That is so awesome. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thanks so much to Amy. Now we all know how to make a macrame hanging plant holder, reintroducing an old style in a modern new way. And that's what Amy is making in her craft room. What are you making in your craft room? I'll see you next time. This was so much fun. I really, really enjoy it. I think I can do it.
Yeah.
Oh, and hey, don't forget, happiness is handmade because crafting is not only an art form, but it's also a national sport. So that means you're a total pro, right?
Master.
Oh, master, right?